Hey there, amazing educators! Are you ready to supercharge your student management? If you're using Google Classroom and you've got an unlimited uPar license, get ready for some great news. uPar has an incredibly powerful feature that's going to make your life so much easier. Let's dive in. Adding your Google Classroom roster to uPar is a breeze. Just head over to Manage Students, click the Google Classroom link at the top, and then import Google Classrooms. This super simple wizard guides you through linking your existing Google Classrooms. You'll choose your Google account, grant a few permissions, and then magic! A pop-up will list all your classrooms. Just check the ones you want to bring over to uPar, hit invite, and you're good to go. Want an email notification when it's done? Just type it in. If not, leave it blank and you're all set. Once imported, viewing your rosters is just as simple. Click Reports, then Google Classroom. You'll see all your classrooms as neat little cards. And here's a favorite. Toggle on Auto Sync to keep everything perfectly lined up. Need to force a quick sync or even remove a classroom from your uPar view? No problem. And the best part? Click View Data to see all your familiar tools and filters, but focus just on that specific Google Classroom. Simplify your workflow, empower your teaching, and get back to what you do best, inspiring your students. Ready to experience the power of uPar with Google Classroom? Get started today. To learn even more about uPar and all its amazing features, be sure to visit everway.com.